Great question. What's more important for fat loss, cardio or weights? I've been lifting to lose weights, but it hasn't worked. I don't want to get weak doing cardio. All right, so this is how I'm going to answer this question. The number one thing that matters, right? What's most important for fat loss, losing weights, is being in a caloric deficit. It's about your diet, it's about nutrition, not so much about cardio or weightlifting. All right. Caloric deficit just means that you're consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight, right? Decreasing the total caloric intake for the day. And that's the only way to lose weight. You have to be consuming fewer calories or burning off more calories than you eat on a daily basis. You may have heard the saying, you can't outtrain a bad diet. Well, that's a real thing. All right. So once you get your calories in check, this is going to make you lose weight regardless if you're doing cardio or not, regardless if you're weightlifting or not. You can lose weight, you can lose fat by just being in a caloric deficit without weight training, without doing cardio. All right. Now, cardio will help you because it will help you burn more calories, right, on top of being in a caloric deficit, right? So let's just say you're in a caloric deficit by 250 calories per day. You're consuming 250 calories less than you usually do per day, and you're doing 250 calories worth of cardio. That's the best of both worlds, right? And then on top of that, you're doing your weight training. You're doing your strength training. Strength training is extremely important because it's going to help you build muscle mass. It's going to help you feel better. It's going to help you look better. When you lift weights, that's going to give you that physique that you want. It's going to shape your body. It's going to tone. It's going to give you that muscle mass, right? And you see people have these physiques where they got the broader shoulders and the six pack and all this stuff. The quads is popping, whatever the body part that you want to build, that comes through weight training, right? And we reveal all of that by being in a diet, being in a deficit, right? Being in a caloric deficit. So hopefully that helps you. Number one, to recap, number one is going to be being in a calorie deficit, consuming fewer calories than you need to maintain your current weight. Number two is going to be doing your weight training, getting stronger in the gym, right? Progressive overload, lifting a little bit more weight than last time or more reps, just increasing the total work volume that you're doing. And then number three, doing some cardio to assist and burning more calories throughout the day, right? Getting a little bit more activities in. Hopefully that helps. If you want some more information on that, I'll definitely create more videos and drop some more comments down below. And I would love to answer the rest of your questions.